So today's videos we will start our new series about the MySQL series. So today we will discuss about the select statement. So select statement is very useful for our MySQL. So it is used for the select statement is used to select data. So it is used for the select any column data, and when we need any data in our columns, so we'll use the select statement in MySQL. So how we use the select statement in MySQL? So firstly I will write the select select start from, and then we will write the our table name. So table name is stud, and then first we will run the our database. So I will run the database ucid, and then I run the this statement select start from stud. You see, this is our result. Select start from stud. Stud is our table. So table data is here. So first column is the id, second column is student name, third column is company name, and fourth position, and fifth start date, sixth end date, and seventh salary column. So our data is 6. So first is id. So we will see how to show only the id columns. So here is the here I write our star. So star means all our columns are show, and when I write here the id means only id columns are show. I'll run this. So here is the id column. So when we use star, then the result comes, all are the columns are see, we'll see. And when we specifically write here our column name, then only shows the our column name. And here I write star. This is all our columns are so, and then we'll write our distinct. So here I write distinct. Basically, distincts used for the identify unique column. So here the fourth is Sarah Brown and Tech Solution UX Engineer. So here do not any duplicate column. So when we do not see any duplicate column, so then use our distinct statement. So here I run. Though do not any duplicate columns here exist, do not exist any duplicate column. So there is no result different. So this is our select command or select statement.